APM CNC press brake has 30,110 and ASPE 40,135. With Graphic CNC controller for +1 axis. Graphic CNC controller with 2D graphics programming and 3D simulation. Aston main servo motor. USA Sunny hydraulic pump. Italy GB grading ruler. Italy Wise hydraulic valve. France Schneider electric components. ESTU and servo drivers. Quick release clamps and movable front support rack. Korea K-Con pedal switch. Standard punch and 2B dies with black anti-rust treatment. (3D simulation bending). For axis for Y1, Y2, X. R axis, Y1, Y2 means cylinder up and down movement. X axis means backward, front and back movement. R axis means backward, up and down movement. +1 axis means working table crowning system. Thanks for watching.